नया सब्जेक्ट हीट एंड मास ट्रांसफर पेपर 2 में जो कवर होता है उसको हम लोग वहाँ पे 20 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हम लोग यहाँ पे सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए और कमेंट करिए, ठीक है। तो हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं टॉप 20 क्वेश्चंस में हीट एंड मास ट्रांसफर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, thermal diffusivity of a substance is option number A inversely proportional to thermal conductivity, option number B directly proportional to thermal conductivity, option number C thermal directly proportional to the square of thermal conductivity, and option number D inversely proportional to the square of thermal conductivity. So as we know that thermal diffusivity alpha is equal to K upon rho into Cp. So that means here the thermal conductivity, thermal diffusibility is directly proportional to the thermal conductivity. So option number B is the right answer. The thermal diffusivity is substance is directly proportional to the thermal conductivity. Question number 2, transient heat conduction means option number A very little heat transfer, option number B heat transfer for a short time, option number C heat transfer with a small temperature difference, option number D conduction will when temperature varies with the time. So as we know that transient heat conduction means option number D is the right answer, conduction when the temperature varies with the time. Next question number 3, up to the critical radius of insulation. Option number A adding insulation to a wall decrease heat loss, option number B adding insulation to a wall increase heat loss, option number C heat flux of a wall decrease, option number D convection heat loss is less than conduction heat loss in wall. As we know that for the cylindrical critical thickness for sphere RC is equal to 2K by H. So as we know that up to critical thickness critical radius of insulation, option number B is the right answer. For the adding insulation to a wall increase heat loss, option number B is the right answer for the question number 3. Question number 4, for a given heat flow and for the same thickness the temperature drop across the material will be maximum for. So copper, option number B copper, option number B steel, option number C glass wool, option number D refractory bricks. So as we know that the thermal conductivity for the copper 385, steel 70 to 55, and refractory bricks 0.95 watt per meter Kelvin. So right answer for the question number 4 is the glass wool. Question number 5, which of the following is a case study of heat transfer? Case of study state heat transfer. Option number A IC engine, option number B air preheater, option number C heating of building in water, option number D none of these. So as we know that here IC engine, air preheaters and heating of building in winter is a transient heat transfer. So right answer is the option number D none of these. Option number 6 or question number 6, the concept of overall coefficient of heat transfer is used in heat transfer problem of find option number A fin conduction, option number B convection, option number C radiation, option number D conduction and convection. So right answer option number D is the right answer for the question number 6. Next question number 7, the insulating ability of an insulator with pressure of moisture would increase, option number B decrease, option number C remain unaffected, option number D is the none of the above. So right answer is the decrease. Insulating ability of insulator with pressure of moisture will be decreased. Question number 8, the ratio of heat flow Q1 by Q2 from two walls of same thickness having their thermal conductivity as K1 is equal to 2K2. So as we know that formula for the heat transfer rate minus Ka into dt by dx. Here K1 is equal to 2K2. That means putting these value in equation number this equation and find out the heat transfer rate. Heat transfer rate for the ratio of Q1 by Q2. Option number A 1, option number B 0.5, option number C 2, option number D 0.25. तो राइट आंसर हमारा क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी. तुम लोग जब वैल्यू पुट करेंगे इस इक्वेशन में तो हमारे यहाँ पे आंसर निकलेगा 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, a steam pipe is to be insulated by two insulating material put over each other. For best result, option number A better insulation should be put over pipe and better one over it. Option number B inferior insulation should be put over pipe and better one over it. Option number C both may be put in any order. Option number D whether to put inferior 1/5 or better one would depend upon the steam temperature. Right answer हमारा क्या होगा? Better insulation should be put over pipe and better over it. Right answer option number A. Next question number 10. A body is cooling from 18 degree centigrade to 17 degree centigrade take 10 minutes. When left exposed to environmental condition, if the body is cool further 17 to 60 degree centigrade under the same external condition, it will be take. So as we know that Newton's law of cooling, we put the value is the rate of heat loss is directly proportional to temperature difference. So here the right answer for the question number 10, more than 10 minutes. Option number B, same time 10 minutes. Option number C, less than 10 minutes. And option number none of these. तो जब लोग पहले पुट करेंगे तो हमारा राइट आंसर निकलेगा more than 10 minutes. Next question number 11. Transition of heat of molecular collision. ठीक है. Option number is scattering. Option number B, conduction. Option number C, convection. And option number D, radiation. Transmission of heat by molecular collision in the for solid state materials, solid state particles. Right answer is the option number B for the conduction. Next question number 12. Thermal conductivity of a copper with rise in temperature, decrease, increase, remains constant, and none of these. So as we know that when the temperature will be increased, the thermal conductivity of copper will be decreased. Right answer is the option number B. Next question number 13. In steady state conduction, the thermal conductivity of given K is equal to K naught 1 plus beta T, where beta is the if positive, a given slab of given thickness and given temperature drop will be conduct. Option number A, more heat at lower temperature levels. Option number B, more heat at higher temperature level. And option number C, heat as a flow depends upon the temperature drop. And option number D, heat flow depends upon the thickness only. So as you know that from this equation, the right answer will be more heat at a given temperature level. Right answer हमारा क्या होगा? Option number B. Question number 13. Next question number 14. The thermal conductivity of air with rise in temperature. Because of here when the temperature rise of the air, the particles collision will be increased, so that the thermal conductivity of air will be rise in the temperature will be increased. तो option number A हमारा क्या होगा? A is the right answer. तो option number B decrease है, option number C remain constant, option number D may increase or decrease depending on the temperature. But here the answer number A is the right answer for the when the thermal conductivity of air with rise in the temperature will be decreases. Next question number 15. Heat flow of one body to other when they have different heat content. Option number B, different specific heat. Option number C, different atomic structure. Option number D, different temperature. Right answer is the different temperature is the right answer for the question number 15. Next question number 16. What is the critical radius of insulation of a sphere equal to the? So as we know that critical radius for insulation for the critical for the cylinder, RC is equal to K by H, and for the sphere RC is equal to 2K by H, as we know that. Option number A, critical radius RC is equal to 2KH. Option number B, 2K by H. Option number C, K by H. And option number D, root K by H. तो राइट आंसर हमारा क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. क्रिटिकल रेडियस फॉर द स्फीयर इज RC इज इक्वल टू 2K by H. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Which of the following material has highest thermal conductivity at room temperature? Here option number A gold, option number B diamond, option number C iron, option number D aluminum. So as you know that the thermal conductivity of diamond is maximum about 2300 degree centigrade. गोल्ड के लिए कितना होगा? 310. आयरन के लिए 80.2, एल्युमिनियम के लिए 200 एंड सिल्वर के लिए 410. तो राइट आंसर हमारा क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. द मैक्सिमम थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी फॉर द डायमंड इज 2300 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. 2300 राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. कंसीडर the following fact about the thermal density. Its unit is meter per second square, meter square per second. It's the relation of K, P and rho C. And option depends upon the temperature. And none of the right answer हमारा क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर A ऑप्शन नंबर बी 1 and 2 only, option number 1 and 3 only, option number 2 and 3 only, and option number E 1, 2 and 3 only. Why do you know that thermal diffusibility is equal to K is equal to rho Cp? तो all parameters will be considered for the thermal diffusion. Right answer हमारा क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर is the right answer. Next question number 19. For a current wire of 20 mm diameter exposed to air, H is equal to 20 watt per meter square Kelvin, maximum heat dissipation occur when the thickness of insulation. यहाँ पे हमारा क्या दिया हुआ है? यहाँ पे हमारा डायमीटर के फॉर्म में सिलेंडर दिया हुआ है, तो आरसी के लिए हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? आरसी इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? K by H. As in putting this value and find the right answer. तो ऑप्शन नंबर 20, ऑप्शन नंबर 25, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 28 mm and ऑप्शन नंबर डी 10 mm. So that with putting this value in equation number RC is equal to K by H, the right answer is the 10 mm. तो राइट आंसर हमारा क्या होगा? डी इक्वल टू डी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी 10 mm. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 20. एक कॉपर पाइप कैरिंग रेफ्रिजरेंट एंड 2 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इज कवर्ड ए सिलेंड्रिकल इंसुलेशन ऑफ थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी K watt per meter Kelvin. The rate of the heat transfer coefficient over insulation surface is W upon में मीटर स्क्वायर इंटू के. द क्रिटिकल थिकनेस ऑफ इंसुलेशन. तो आपके यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? सिलेंड्रिकल दिया हुआ है, सिलेंड्रिकल इंसुलेशन है. दैट मीन्स द राइट आंसर इज द K by H. आई विल नो दैट सिलेंड्रिकल के लिए हमारा क्या होगा? क्रिटिकल इंसुलेशन थिकनेस RC इज इक्वल टू K by H, और स्फीयर के लिए हमारा क्या होगा? RC इज इक्वल टू 2K by H. तो राइट आंसर हमारा क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर. बी हमारा यहाँ पे क्या है? 2K by H. तो ये किसके लिए? हमारे स्फीयर के लिए है. और ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज रॉन्ग एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. So this is the most important question for the heat transfer. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आता तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए और कमेंट करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.